Today is a good day for tech news. Hello everyone and welcome to Newston. I'm your host Harris and today we get some juicy news. Let's get started. And it's time. The upcoming Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra's Exynos and Snapdragon benchmark scores just got leaked. As we know, the S22 series is about to launch next week, and depending on your region, you might get the Snapdragon or Exynos. But now both models have been run on the popular Geekbench. As you can see, both models of the Galaxy S22 Ultra benchmark scores are pretty comparable. The Snapdragon scored about 1168 in single core and Exynos scored 1226, while the multi-core for Snapdragon is 3462. The Exynos was at 3508, not bad. And keep in mind that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 and Exynos 2200 are built on the same 4nm process with identical architecture, but they may perform differently in the graphics department. Speaking of graphics, the Intel Arc A370M mobile GPU just got compared to a GTX 6050 Super. Gang, another one of Intel's upcoming Alchemist gaming GPUs have been leaked, and this one is a graphics card that's target mobile devices. This Arc A370M reportedly has 128 execution units. In addition, the benchmark also revealed a 1.55 GHz clock speed, but it's still unclear if this is the actual speed. Other than that, the GPU includes 4GB of GDDR6 memory across a 128-bit memory interface. For the benchmark, it scores a 2400 MPix per second score. And for comparison, the GTX 1650 Super only scores about 2570, meaning this still very capable desktop GPU only delivered 7% higher performance than the Intel. But again, take this with a grain of salt since engineering sample exists. And maybe this too, as an alleged Xiaomi 12 mini render just appeared with a sub 6-inch AMOLED display. Cool. It seems like Xiaomi might be working on a mini version for their Xiaomi 12 lineup. And this is a real mini, just like the iPhone, as this is rumored to be a sub 6-inch phone. As you can see, this might be how it looks like. And yeah, it deviates quite a bit from the design of the Xiaomi 12 series. And it will have an AMOLED display with a Snapdragon 870. And honestly, it doesn't even look that bad. But again, this rumor have been circling around since December with near zero proof. And the same source even shared another render of the same phone with a very different design. You know what? Speed round! It's official. The brand new Realme 9 Pro series is coming on February 16. Wow! The company just announced that it will unveil the 9 Pro models on said date. These phones will be launched around the globe, including India, Europe, and other places, which their fan will be live streamed. But not only that, Realme is also using the word series, meaning not just one model, but more. Pretty exciting. And this is exciting. The new Twitter articles feature just got leaked with no character limits. It seems like Twitter may be planning to allow users to post more than 240 characters. According to a leak published by Jane Majin Wong, Twitter may soon implement a feature called Twitter article. However, there's not much yet, but this feature might sadly be exclusive to some people. But this is not sad, as GoPro says that it's going to expand their camera lineup. Cool. It seems like GoPro will be expanding in the next year, adding 2 more models alongside the current. According to Nick Woodman, the company's founder and CEO, GoPro wants to offer more specialized cameras, so they might be targeting those sweet professionals now. But let's see how it goes. And apparently Bruno Mars just join Fortnite because why not? The musical artist Bruno Mars joined by Paak are officially joining Fortnite as the latest addition to the Icon series. So if you're a big fan, both artists will get their own skins plus a variety of cosmetic items based on their musical group Silk Sonic. Sadly, this will drop on February 10, so gotta wait. And you gotta wait for this too, as Battlefield 2042's Scoreboard update has been delayed until March. It's a sad day for Battlefield fans, as EA has just announced that the long-awaited 3.3 update has been delayed a few weeks and won't be out until March. EA said that it wants to focus on smashing some bugs first before dropping the Scoreboard, which I don't know, man. Battlefield's going down. The news are over. So you gotta come back on Monday for more juicy tech news like this one and subscribe so you won't miss it. Alright, peace out.